Joke.
Annyeonghaseyo! Annyeong lupa kayo! So, yun pa, this is Samyang hot chicken flavor ramen. Saan mo binili? Binili po namin to sa klase namin kay Kyle Chua. So, kung gusto niyo lang kahit anong Korean food, chat niyo lang po Kyle Francis Chua. Korean noodles and Korean ice cream. And special mention po si Ma'am Aya for this room. At 80 pesos po siya. So, kung gusto niyo umorder, Kyle Chua. Kyle Chua? Kyle Chua! Papaluto lang po namin and we'll be back.
I know I'm always like telling everybody you don't gotta be there.
Hi! So, nandito po kami sa school canteen. Yes! Kasi di pa po pwede kay Ate April, so dito kami nagpaluto. Kasi may ka-Ellen na wala na. Sabi niya magsa-CR lang daw siya. Hindi na po namin alam kung lumarap siya na Bye-bye!
Same corner at the bar. Yeah, we took so many shots, we went too hard. God, he almost looks like you in the dark. He ordered a drink before I could notice that Jack and Coke brought us into focus. I took a sip, it tasted just like it used to. It's been a while since I thought about you. I wouldn't say it sober, but the truth is coming out. I didn't miss you until now, until now. In my right mind, it's over, but the drinks are talking loud. I didn't miss you until now, until now.
Hi! And so we're back sa room yung Aya! Yay! Ito na siya. Ayan. Ito yung chopstick na low-key. And mapangpanggap. Chopstick. Chopstick low budget. Yes. Ay, dahil wala kami pambili ng chopstick. Stick na lang. And, syempre, may come prepared para sa gatas. So, yun. Start na tayo? So, yun. So, kailangan pa maubos namin. Pag hindi naubos, akapin si Crush. Challenge accepted. Ako din. Ako din eh. Paano kakamove on ko lang? Paano kakamove on ko lang? Okay. One. Game. Wait. Diba? Ako anim. Oh shit. Yaman siya meat. Bes hindi effective yung gatas.
Just came on and now it feels hopeless. Jukebox is playing, no guns and roses. I put $1 in it just like you used to. It's been a while since I thought about you. I wouldn't say it sober, but the truth is coming out. I didn't miss you until now, until now.
Sino ba nagpakuna nito? Hindi ko na malubo ng pakainit eh. Alam niyo, mas masakit pa siya sa sugat. Nakakawit. Nakakawit.
With you, you make love all day with you stay sipping champagne with you. If you wanna do drugs, go do
Pero titira.
stay with you make love
Sobrang dami. Ayoko na.
stay sipping champagne with you.
Masarap siya, pero ako, what the fuck, ba't ganito? Don't try this at home. Huwag niyo na po uulitin. Nasa huli talaga yung pagsisisi. Ano niya? Naku, hindi ko na ito uulitin. Alam mo yung crush niya, sabi sa kami niya, hindi na ubos. Maghahain na ako sa crush ko, ah. Hahan ko na yung crush ko. Hahan ko kasi.
But tell me who isn't, tell me who isn't. I know it's easy being alone.
Pwede pa pang isang
Will
subukan.
you come
Pakisa na lang.
over again. I'm not gonna
Hindi tayo
pretend I
natuloy-tuloy,
want
grabe.
anyone else, cause I don't.
Last.
I'm tired of being
Super duper last.
alone.
Dito ulitin.
Stay with
Same.
you,
Last.
you make love all
So, yung crush ko kung nanonood ka dyan, ay ka lang. Sagda na lang namin next time pag nagkita tayo.
just come through, I wanna stay with you, you make love all day with
Tapang.
you, stay
So, one. Ganon, isang ganon ng tinidor. Tiniturin mo na kasi. Tiniturin mo na kasi nagpapagat ka pa eh. Uy, inis, napakakonti yan. Last one. Eh, hindi na namin siya uulitin talaga. One. Wait lang. Isang subukan na lang. Ayoko na higupin. Ako rin. One. 1, 2, 3. Tigilan na po namin. Tara, ganyan tayo. Ayoko, alam mo na. Ito po yung natitira. Gago, sasubukan na lang yung
Start
akin.
where we left, we can lay in my bed, but we won't go to bed, no we won't. No one for taking it slow.
Gusto natin to. 1, 2, 3.
So when you come again and again with the sheets in your hand, you can't even pretend that you don't love how I'm making you moan. I wanna stay with you, you make love all day with you, you stay sipping shit.
Basta ganun nga lang. Sa'yo na lang. Wala akong parang ubusin. Papatikin ko pa yun sa mga kabarkada ko. Shit, naubos ko. Power.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me.
Kung siya nga matagal ko bago sinukuhan ito pa kaya.
New York City. Midnight into morning coffee. Burning through the hours talking. Damn. I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you. I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, cause I like me better when I'm with you. I don't know what it is, but I got that feeling. Waking up in this bed next to you, swear the room, yeah, got no ceiling. If we lay, let the day just pass us by. I might get to too much talking. I might have to tell you something. Damn. I like me better when I'm with you.
Ano ulitin?
I like me
Di ako fan ng spicy foods. Kaya para sa akin napakahirap.
from the first time.
Mahirap ba? Mahirap. Mas madali pa mag-rendo kaysa kumain yan. Kaya huwag nyo na i-try, mag-shota na lang kayo. Lesson of the day. Mas madaling magka-shota at iwanan yung shota ay pagpalit yung shota kaysa kumain ng okay na akong masaktan. Kasi sa kumain ng spicy noodles. Di okay. Sobrang nakakamanhid. Sa dila at saka sa labi.
Stay away, stay away. I like me better when
fan ng mga spicy food. Huwag mo nang i-try. Baka yun yung ikamatay mo. Iba talaga siya. Mas okay pa yung masaktan sa shota, yung ipagpalit na jowa mo lang nito. Yes! Ipagpalit na jowa. Kaysa kumain ng samyang. Lalo na hindi ka fan ng spicy. Diba siya? No. Big no. Pag kumain ka na to, tapos after nun, pag naramdaman mo na yung sakit sa bibig tsaka sa dila, grabe, magsisisi ka talaga. Sobra. Pero kung gusto niya kami maintindihan, try that! Yes! Siguro recommended naman siya para sa mga matatapang, may puso, yung hindi sumusuko. Yung kayang mag-risk. Yun. Tsaka naghahanap ng adventure. Basta make sure na sobrang dami yung gatas, pastillas, espasol, yema, cake, lahat ng pwede niyong kainin, mawala lang talaga yung sakit. Pansit, pang fiesta, fishball, squid. Lahat na yun. Takoyaki, crispy balls. Mami naman yun. So, paano tayo magbababa? Hindi mo alam kung paano mawawala yung sakit. This has been Lisa Fegisado, Maria Iris Arcelita, and Micaela Belisti Manapos. Thanks for watching our first vlog together. Iwan nyo na space. Ito po yung isa namin kaibigan. Ito yung isa namin kaibigan. Meet Kate. Hi Kate. Hi Kate. Mapusun na. Tutuduan din ang para sa pimples. Mga bilang kayo mga 55. 52 na naman. 52 na wala yung tatlo. Pina-facial. Bye-bye! Annyeong! Samnida! Sabihin niyo po ulit yung iba pang challenge. Pero hindi na po namin. Hindi na po siya good eh. Challenge na mag-move on. Challenge na mag-take ng risk. Hindi niyo po ako makikita. Bye! Bye-bye! Annyeong! Ang ina niyo, hindi ko na gagawin ito.
Yeah, masaya. Sabay-sabay. Feel na feel ko yung lahat. So, luto na po siya and bumalik na po yung nawawala. Annyeong! Bibili lang po kami ng cup para for our essentials. Gatas. We're prepared. So, ayun po yung teacher namin na tigatawa lang sa mga pinaggagawa namin.
Ayun na po yung nalulungo po sila sa sa kantin.
Close up.
Umiiyak.
Umiiyak.
Ano?
Annyeonghaseyo! Annyeong lupa kayo! Ma'am, hindi kasama to! Ay, ala na! Take two. Hi, ma! Okay, take two.